Hello students, today we are going into the world of geometry. Specifically, we will learn about lines, angles, and triangles. Let's get started. Before we start, let's learn about some important terms. A point is like a tiny spot that helps us show where things are in space. We use points to draw shapes and figure out where things are located. Next, let's talk about a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that has two endpoints. Next, we have line. A line segment extended on both sides without an end is called a line. Now, on to the ray. A ray is a line that has one endpoint and goes on and on in one direction. Types of lines. There are different types of lines. Let's look at them. Firstly, we have parallel lines. The lines on the same plane that never meet, no matter how far they are extended, are called parallel lines. Intersecting lines. The lines that cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines. Perpendicular lines. When two intersecting lines meet to form right angles, they are called perpendicular lines. Now, let's discuss about angles. What are angles? The space between two intersecting straight lines at the point in which they meet. The point where they meet is called the vertex. Angles are measured in degrees. Here's a pictorial representation of a 45-degree angle between two straight lines and a vertex. Types of angles. There are 6 types of angles. Acute angles, right angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, reflex angles, revolution angles. Here, these angles are arranged on the basis of smallest to largest. Don't worry, we will look at each one in detail. Acute angle. The angle between two straight lines measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Like the corner of this triangle. The angle between two straight lines measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. It's like a straight line without any bend. Reflex angle. The angle between two straight lines measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. A revolution angle is a full rotation of 360 degrees. Imagine turning around in a circle, that's a revolution. Now, let's see how to measure an angle using a protractor. Put the protractor between the two straight lines. Start measuring from 0 degrees. Check where the other line ends to find the angle's measurement. Here, the angles is 40 degrees. Now, let's talk about triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. There are different types of triangle based on their side lengths and angles. Let's look at them. Firstly, we have the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, meaning all the sides are the same length. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides or 2 sides with the same length. Scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has no equal sides. All the sides are different lengths. We can classify triangles on the basis of angles as well. Acute angle triangle. A triangle having all angles measure less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle having one of the angles measure more than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle triangle. The other 2 angles are acute. Right angle triangle. A triangle having one of the angles 90 degrees is called a right angle triangle. The other 2 angles are acute. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.